Michelle here with Strawberry, and it's shoebox season. Shoeboxes are due to the local drop-off locations the third week of November, and so it is time to start packing. If you have not been packing all year, it is time to start packing. Today I'm gonna unpack a shoebox for a girl ages 5 to 9. When the girl opens up her box, this is what she's going to see. So I started off by just putting a pretty calendar page in here just to make it look a little fun. And I put daisies. Daisies are my favorite flower. I just love them so much. I think they're so pretty. And I hope that this little girl will like that too. Okay, so now we get into all the stuff. Let me go ahead and pull out. She has a spiral notebook for school, and she has a princess magazine. I got this from Dollar Tree. It's got some activities in it and some stories in it, some things to color. Just kind of a little fun thing for this little princess girl. And then I got her this little headband with flowers that she could wear in her hair and just feel like a princess. The reason why we pack these boxes is so that whoever receives them, the child that receives them, will see it as a gift of God's love and that God loves them and then want to accept Jesus into their hearts. And so you want everything to be fun, you want the box to be full, and you do want it to be personalized so that the child will know that they are loved. Next, we have a doll, and this is one of the Hair Amazing dolls. And I put it in an organza wine bag, and she's kind of got some wings on her, and she's got a daisy on her dress. She's got this beautiful long purple hair, and gave her an extra headband and an extra dress. And there's a hairbrush in the bag that she could either use on her doll or on herself, or both, whichever she needs. And so I think this is her wow item. So every box should have a wow gift, just a gift that the child sees and she's just like, wow, and it's just so special to her. Next, let's see. Next, I actually have a pair of sandals, and I don't know if you can see, they are silver, shiny, kind of iridescent, and I think that will make her feel like a special little princess as well. Those were on clearance after summer at my local grocery store, HEB. And let's see, she has a water bottle, and inside the water bottle, we got a sock and another sock. And hopefully she'll be able to get all the stuff out of this water bottle. We'll test it by me seeing if I can get it all out. She's got a little pink teddy bear. Oh goodness, it's pretty full. She has a little Pop-It fidget toy. She's got one of those, I don't know, they're little squishy animals. She's got some of these little animal erasers, and these are like puzzle erasers. You can switch the heads with a different animal. So she's got a couple of those. She's got a little finger skateboard, a little avocado eraser, a little LOL pin. Oh, and a bracelet. I don't know if I said that. And a little horse. Okay, so there's that. Here we have a pencil case. Inside the pencil case, we have pencils and scissors and glue and a pencil sharpener and some erasers. She has a little hippo stuffed animal keychain. I do like to make sure that every box has a stuffed animal or something soft in it. I've also heard that some children are kidnapped because they have a stuffed animal, and they're like, here, you want this stuffed animal, and because they want that stuffed animal, they end up getting kidnapped. And so if a child has their own stuffed animal, then they aren't lured by that, and that's not a threat to them. So I do try to include a stuffed animal in all of my boxes. She has a tennis ball. We've got a pack of crayons. So this kind of Daisy Princess theme, I have this box that says Cinderella on it. It's not the Cinderella from the movies. It's more, can y'all see that? Just a more real life pretty type of look. And inside, we've got a lot of more goodies. So we've got a jump rope. We have a little bag. Inside this bag, we have a little rhinestone choker necklace. We've got a little thing of soap. Soap is allowed this year, probably not next year. We have some emery boards, a little bow for her hair, scrunching, some more hair ties, and I just love these so much. She has a dancing ribbon ring, and there are other videos on my channel that show how to make the dancing ribbon rings, but I just think those are so fun, and I can just see her wearing her little sandals and her little flower wreath and dancing around with her streamers. I just think that would be so much fun. She has a pink backpack to put everything in. She has a craft project, and when you buy the craft projects, make sure it doesn't have wet glue in it. So this one has the string, and it has plywood shapes and foam stickers to put things on, and adhesive googly eyes. So they're like sticker glue instead of liquid glue. This was a Valentine, and it makes a paper airplane, and it's kind of a Barbie theme. And then she has my note from me. And I just really hope that she enjoys this box, and that she will know that she is loved and that she is blessed by this. The most important thing to put in the box is prayer. And then you want to also scan the barcode on the box and pay $10 for shipping, which, believe me, is a deal. If you were trying to ship all of this to, say, Africa, it's probably going to cost you around $100. So $10 for the shipping, and some little girl is going to get a wonderful experience this year. I'm going to try to pack this all back up on camera. I'll speed it up. Flat things on the bottom. I forgot. I have stickers inside of her notebook. While I was repacking, I realized I didn't have a toothbrush in there. So I'm gonna add in a toothbrush. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share it with a friend that might enjoy packing a shoebox. And I hope that you are able to pack a shoebox this year. Toodles!